And there you go. Uncle Tony is attacking. Ah. Sawadee crab. Sabay dimay. So the words I spoken Spanish is a Thai language, and it means hello, how are you? And I learned it from YouTube. Okay, so for today's video, our Sunday morning papawis ride, we're going to Barangay Cabuluan in the town of Villaverde, province of Nueva Vizcaya. And my companions for today's ride is Dr. Elder Eddie the Pogibillar and Uncle Tony. So let's join with us, buddies. So what are you waiting for? Let's go! Ayan o mga kabady, mga batang siklista. Galing na rin sila kanina sa Jampure. Road bike sa mountain bike. Ayos.
From the ashes of shame and the fire, they fed me with doubt, but I answered with wire. My skin turned to iron, my veins into chains. I learned how to dance in the eye of the pain. They buried my name in the wreckage of time. I tore through the dark with the edge of my spine. You called me a ghost, I returned as a storm. I shattered the silence and broke every form.
There you go, buddies. Uncle Tony has a new bike again. It's mountain bike, Mountain Peak Vulcan 29er. So nice and beautiful bike. Oh, mga T60 oh. Okay, this is the start of punishment. The sticky climb going to Barangay Cabuluan. Alright. Whew.
Measure my worth with your hollow sight, but you never stood in the mouth of the fight. You call it decay, I call it my throne. You fear what awakens when flesh turns to bone. I walked through shadows wearing your blame, turned every wound into my flame. You said my time was long gone dead, but I am the storm you never buried yet. Every wrinkle is wisdom earned, every heartbeat a lesson burned. You chased the shine that fades too fast. I was built to outlast.
This is the real punishment. Oh, so sticky climb. Look at that. I didn't know how many percentage it is. Dr. Eddie the Pogibillar is breakaway. And there you go. Uncle Tony is attacking. And me, I drop it out. There you go. The art of Barangay Cabuluan, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. Oh, there's a lot of fellow cyclists at Cabuluan viewpoint. There you go. Good morning, sir. Oh. Lost.
puso't gindenggaman. To'y umasasok, agrayo itaas diyam. Panunutan man, di ka pagintutunan. To'y agayat, agrugno'y tayamam.
Finally, thanks God, we reached our destination. And this is the Coburg Court and Barangay Hall of Barangay Caburwan, Villaverde, Nueva Vizcaya. And Uncle Tony is so very strong. They're facing, Dr. Eddie, the Pogi Villar is so fast. And it's so hard to me to chase them. Huh? Nice one.
Hating in the distance, but your shadow never sleeps. I'm running through the silence where your voice still speaks. Every step is heavy, but I follow where it leads. Holding on to memories that cut me when they bleed. Searching through the echoes, I still feel what I can see. Your name is like a whisper that's engraved inside of me. Trying to forget you, but the past won't let me hide. You're the reason that I'm breaking and the reason I survive. SMTDia kalipatan, tanasuri onay anagan, tauray sa dintiayan, biso sa dinoman, no malagip ka, pusok di mabangaran. Yeah. Hold tight to the silence, every word that went untold. I'm stuck in a battle that refuses to let go. Long roads in the nighttime, I'm still chasing what I knew. Fighting every moment just to find a way to you. Caught inside the memory where the truth begins to hide. Your name becomes a lifeline pulling deep from ocean tides. Even when you're distant, you're the fire in the cold. You're the reason that I'm burning and the one I can't control. I keep falling in the silence, still I'm reaching out.
Thanks God, finally nakauwi na rin po kami. At ito po, beef mami ulit dito po sa may Venturas Food House, dito po sa Milatory North, Rembong, Nueva Vizcaya. Ito, kasama po namin ngayon si Uncle Tony na magbe-beef mami. Kaya sob na naman to para pangbawi ng lakas. Ayan, so ito po yung pinaka-paborito kong eksena sa bawat rides po namin, ang merienda time. Ito ang magandang pangbawi po ng lakas, beef mami. Oh, yan si Buddy, oh. Enjoy na sa paghigop ng sabaw. Yan naman si Uncle Tony. Ayos. So hanggang dito na lang po ang video ito mga kabady. Maraming pong salamat sa inyong panonood at sa inyong pagsuporta. Naway lagi po tayong mag-iingat sa araw-araw. At higit sa lahat, wag po natin kakalimutan laging magdasal sa ating mahal na Panginoon. Kaya hanggang sa muli mga kabady, drive safe always po and God bless po sa ating lahat.